there's people on eBay and Amazon that sell mystery boxes with a potential value, while in reality you have no idea what you're gonna get. It's really just a big gamble whether you're gonna get something worth the price of the box or you could just get trash. So we're gonna buy some of these mystery boxes, open them, see what we get, and see if there's anything we can resell on eBay and Amazon to get a profit, and see if this could be a legitimate business. So I did a little bit of research and found out that there's no reputable websites for mystery boxes, and I think the best bet is to just test our luck on eBay, because there's a lot of mystery boxes on eBay. I don't think there's a safe move for any mystery box off eBay. They all look really sketchy, but I think I'm gonna end up going with one of these electronic mystery boxes. I feel like this would be the best chance I'd have at getting good value for the resale market. I mean, obviously, it's probably going to be less than what I'm paying for, but there's a chance that they could slip in a MacBook Pro or something cool in here. So I decided to test my luck and get 3 mystery boxes instead of the 2 that I had planned for. I went this one for $250 that says it could have anywhere from $500 to $750 in value. And I also went with the one that I showed for $367 that could be anywhere from $500 to $1,500 in value. And I also bought the one for $400 that could be anywhere from $500 to $1,000 MSRP. So theoretically, I should be making profit on every single one of these boxes. Do I think that's going to be the case? Absolutely not, but there's only one way to find out, and I'll let you guys know when we get the packages.
1 week later.
Okay guys, so it's been about a week. I have 2 out of the 3 packages. I'm 99% sure on the 3rd package that I paid $250 for. I got scammed because it says it's delivered on eBay, but I never got a package. I went and checked the post office and made sure they didn't have it. Nope. We lost $250. I'm not really worried about getting the money back because I know for a fact we're gonna make some big racks off these boxes. Not really, but let's hope. So let's go, I guess, smallest to biggest. I paid $367 for this box, which is a little underwhelming because it said it was supposed to be like a 12 by 8 box. It doesn't look 12 inches wide, and it's sealed with Scotch tape on the top. I'm not really sure how much I trust a Scotch tape box, but doesn't sound like $750 worth of MSRP, but I guess let's just open it up. Maybe there's something worth inside. So it's stuck. It's like okay, so first we have a black bag. Not really sure what this is. Oh, Intervox has an aux cord on here. Oh. Left and... Oh, so it's supposed to be like a stereo speaker system, I guess. It's like opens and closes. This looks... Okay, now it's stuck. Okay, I broke it. Okay, I already broke it. So speakers, Intervox, I'll put how much they're worth on the screen. They look old, not like they're worth anything. Second, we have a USB extender. I can actually use that. This is not, would be nice for like a mouse or a microphone. My microphone cable is so short, I'm gonna use this. But yeah, it's just this is underwhelming. Okay, so we have a flashlight. This is disappointing, man. A flashlight in the box that I paid $400 for, and it doesn't even work. This is disgusting. Earbuds with earwax. I'm not even gonna touch those. A USB drive. There's no way I'm plugging this into my computer, but there is a USB drive that came with this box. But it's definitely a virus. There's no chance I'm plugging this in. I'm definitely gonna plug it in. We have a red bag. Oh my god, that's disgusting. It's wet. I don't know if you can see what's inside that. It's wet. It's disgusting. Okay, so on the first box, I paid $367 for it, and in value, I don't know how much those speakers are worth. I'd say we probably got maybe $10 in value, and a wet red bag which is still disgusting. I have no idea what that is. And a non-working flashlight. That was a little more of a scam than I was expecting. Okay, but a second box. Best for last. I have a big box. Now this one looks a little more, it's heavy. I mean, I'd say about 10 pounds, maybe 15 max, but you can fit a MacBook Pro in here. This one said it could have Apple products in it. It could have everything. It was an Apple box, so yo. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see what I can see in there, but I'm already seeing some W products. There's already some W's. There's a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, so let's save the best stuff for last, I guess. First we have a fan. It looks like it's for a computer. It's definitely for a computer. It is dusty and 100% used. I mean, these probably sell for like $10, I'd assume. Probably can't sell it though. Oh my god. Apple Pencil. This is okay. This box we're making money off of for sure. Never mind. Never mind. Wait. Okay, so we have Apple Pencil paperwork and an Apple Pencil box. So now this is probably just gonna be all empty boxes. Is what I'm thinking. Bruh, my hopes were up, dude. Okay, so I guess we can skip. Ew, that is disgusting. What is that? There is like hairs on top of the packaging in this box. There is a literal hair. I don't know if you can see that. That is disgusting. But okay. Okay. So now we have a. This actually looks pretty new. It's wrapped up. So we have a cable. It is one of those super old like USB-A cords. Nothing I can use it for, but I have it. I don't think it's worth any money. No way these are in here. There's no shot. There's no way. Yo! We actually got AirPod Pros. No way, dude. Oh, these are 100% fake. These are 100% fake. They're so musty and dirty. And just the sound. Oh, let me go out of that. Okay, so my real AirPods, these are the real ones. And the fake ones. Like just back in. They're not real AirPods, but I mean, someone might need fake AirPods. If I can sell them for maybe $20, like they look like, I'm not gonna bash them. They look good. I'd say this box is starting to get better. Empty bottle of green tea with some green tea at the bottom. Please be in here. Please be in here. Okay, it's heavy. It's heavy. iPhone SE. It's cracked. Destroyed. Doesn't work. It's not turning on. I'm gonna plug this in and let you know if it turns on. Maybe it's dead, but it looks absolutely destroyed. There's no way this is turning on, but I'll plug it in. There's like this thing. It has an Apple logo on it. It's either like one of those Mac Minis or a router. No. Oh yeah. Router base station. That's what it is. So this actually could be worth some money if it works. I don't have any cables for it. I don't think. No, there's no cables for it, but this could be actually worth some money if it's newer. I'll have to put this to the side and Google it. Okay, more Apple. This is loaded with Apple. This is one of the Apple iMac mouses. I actually don't have one of these for my MacBook. I can use this. I don't know how much these are worth. If it's under 200, I'm just gonna keep it. These are more earbuds with earwax on them that I'm not touching. You know what this looks like? This looks like some kid got the order that they were totally not expecting and just immediately went through their attic to find as much technology as they could find and put into a box and shipped it out for $400. So whoever's doing this is hustling and came up on a bag. What is this? Cameras. So we have a desktop speaker, theater speaker. It's just a normal speaker, but it's like one of the actual like AV speakers, which once again I don't have any cables to. Oh look. So there should be a stand, right? I have a stand for the speaker now, so I can stand it up. It looks old. Is there a date? No date, but it's old. Yo! Lightning to headphone jack adapter. It's actually in here. I'll keep this. Lightning to headphone jack adapter. It's probably worth like $10, but I mean, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna use it. Dude. A power strip with a old used strip of LED lights connected to it. Trash. This could actually work though. It looks like it might start a fire. It looks extremely old and broken. Last thing is another old USB cable. That's it. Just bubble wrap. So let's see if this iPhone works. Oh, I mean, it shows the dead symbol on it. So who knows, it might turn on. If this isn't password locked and it's brand new, or technically brand new by software, I could go back to my old days of trapping iPhones and probably repair the screen for like $20-30, and I'm sure I could get like $150 out of it if it works. So this is probably the most valuable thing. Next, either the router or this Magic Mouse, and then the fake AirPods. So in total, I spent about $1,000, and I probably got maybe $400 if I sell everything. So I would say that flipping items from eBay mystery boxes is a total scam and nothing you should do. But if you guys do want to see me try to make my money back and flip some items, I can make a part 2 actually trying to sell some of this stuff. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And can't believe I got debated with the Apple Pencil box. Gotta be trolling.